It's 10 years since the start of the Jane Phillips Award. It seems to have passed very, very quickly. It's an award in the memory of Jane, who passed away tragically when she had so much to give to youngsters especially, and the communities around Swansea.
We're at Mission Gallery. It was Jane's second home. It was her love. She worked here relentlessly. It was her pride, it was her passion. Always busy, always doing something. She used to work closely with various colleges in Wales, obviously Swansea, but also had links with Carmarthen and Cardiff. In Jane's career as the first director here, she would visit various galleries all over the country, welcoming artists, talking to them, getting to know them. She always thought it very important to go and see exhibitions. She travelled all over the place. She also lectured in Swansea College, and she also spent time in Chicago working on an exhibition there. So Jane had quite a sort of an international status as well.
As we've come to the end of the 10-year cycle, we've got a momentous event happening over that week or 10 days. We're looking forward to it immensely. It's the start of a new decade, and we would like to, perhaps one of the things the award has done is change and evolve over those 10 years.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
I think that's something that we can do.
You know, we're all immensely proud of Jane and her achievements. Yeah. Robert said for the next 10 years we'd like to look forward into channeling the work we do as a committee into other projects,
yeah,
broader areas of the community, and maybe other galleries in Swansea or other galleries across the country. Who knows? But
yeah,
we'd like to welcome everybody to the exhibition, and any questions, queries, don't hesitate to contact somebody at Mission Gallery.